Hi, welcome to another class. We're going to talk about a few objects. So let's go to the examples and then I will explain. This is a table. This is a book. In both examples we have a and then the word we're going to talk about. So a table and book. So both table and book begin with a consonant. So when you have a consonant sound at the beginning of the word, you will use a. The next examples. This is an eraser. This is an apple. So for both examples, eraser and apple, we have a vowel sound at the beginning. When you have a vowel sound, you will use an before the word. So a and an, just to remind you, you can only use when it's singular. So a and an, you only use when we have a singular word.